Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share with you 9 frugal and smart living habits that have the power to transform your finances and change your life for the better. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Habit 1. Start your day with intention. By making small, conscious choices like preparing a nutritious breakfast at home, you're not only saving money but also setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Habit 2. Embrace minimalism. Decluttering your space not only frees your mind but also helps you appreciate the things you already have. Plus, you can sell or donate items you no longer need, putting extra cash in your pocket. Habit 3. Master the art of meal prepping. By planning your meals in advance and using budget-friendly ingredients, you can save both time and money throughout the week. And don't forget to invest in reusable containers to reduce waste. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4. Support local businesses. Not only does buying from local vendors promote a sense of community, but it can also be more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Plus, you'll likely discover unique products and flavors along the way. Habit 5. Set financial goals and track your progress. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation or paying off debt, having clear objectives and a budget in place will help you stay on track and make informed financial decisions. Habit 6. Prioritize self-care. Investing in your mental and physical well-being is essential for long-term financial success. By practicing mindfulness and stress-reducing activities, you can increase your overall happiness and productivity. Habit 7. Get creative with DIY projects. Instead of splurging on expensive home decor or furniture, why not try your hand at upcycling and crafting? Not only will you save money, but you'll also add a personal touch to your living space. Habit 8. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether it's your cable bill, rent, or insurance premiums, there's often room for negotiation. By advocating for yourself and seeking out better deals, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars each year. Habit 9. Never stop learning. Continuously investing in your education and skill development can open up new opportunities for career advancement and financial growth. Whether it's taking an online course or attending workshops, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, 9 frugal and smart living habits that can truly transform your finances and lead you towards a more fulfilling life. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that create lasting change. Thank you for watching, and here's to your financial success. See you in the next video.